Good morning, everyone. Sadly, overnight, 2 Canberrans have passed away. Both women were in their 80s. One was a resident of the Calvary Hayden Aged Care Facility, receiving end-of-life care. She was fully vaccinated. Another woman was admitted to Canberra Hospital on Friday night, where she received palliative care for COVID-19 and other health issues. So on behalf of the ACT community, we send our condolences and our love to the family and friends of these 2 women at this very difficult time. Overnight, we recorded 28 cases, 14 of them linked, and the balance, the other 14, still under investigation. We can confirm 8 of the 28 were in quarantine during their entire infectious period, but at least 16 were infectious in the community. We have 16 people currently hospitalised across the ACT, 5 in intensive care and 1 requiring ventilation. There were 2,700 tests conducted yesterday, so around our weekend average. On the vaccination front, the ACT's first dose vaccination rate continues to climb at a very impressive rate, yesterday reaching 93.4% of the eligible 12+ population. This very high level of first dose vaccination, when those people have the opportunity to have their second dose later this month, will give our community a very strong level of protection. Our fully vaccinated coverage is currently 64.6% of the eligible population. What we're seeing is incredibly strong nation-leading levels of vaccination coverage amongst over 40s, but it's younger Canberrans who have just not yet had the opportunity to access vaccination, where we still don't have the required level of second dose protection. Our under 40s are less than 60% fully vaccinated. But that number will change as each day goes by. I'd advise those who have yet to make a booking that there are vaccination appointments available today at the AIS Mass Vaccination Clinic. So please, if you haven't come forward to get vaccinated, you can do so today. Put your name against one of those vaccination slots. It's really important that we continue to see our vaccination rates get as close as possible to 100%. For every 1,000 people we vaccinate, we can expect 100 fewer hospitalisations based on around 10% of all cases needing hospital treatment. That's what we've seen through our outbreak so far. Our higher level of vaccination has meant it's been about 10% of cases in the ACT. New South Wales and Victoria have experienced more like 13% of all of their cases. So vaccination works to keep you out of hospital if you contract the virus. So in summary, for those who've joined late this morning, 28 new cases overnight, so a further reduction on yesterday's reduction. 14 of them linked, 8 in quarantine during their entire infectious period, 16 infectious in the community at least, 16 in hospital overnight, 5 in intensive care, and sadly 2 people have passed away overnight.